This is the Tecno Pop 8. It is powered by the Unisoc T606 processor with a 4 gigs of RAM that it can expand and a 128 gigs of internal storage. But obviously I didn't see it as an upgrade over the Pop 7 series. It looks like the Infinix Smart 8 and the itel S23 Plus in terms of design. And it cost 98,700 in Naira. So what really makes this smartphone a bit interesting, apart from the price? I really think it's a good standout budget phone. You have a 90Hz screen refresh, so no need to panic about lagging behind. Unboxing the device, it comes with a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a transparent rubber case that fits the device, and then a charger brick, a USB-C cable, and the earphone. Now, in terms of design, the Tecno Pop 8 comes in a slim and lightweight body, making it comfortable to hold. It also features a glossy finish with the camera bumps that looks like that of an iPhone, but it is actually a dual camera setup and the LED flashlight. And then for the external features, you have the power button that is also the fingerprint unlock sensor and the volume up and down rocker on the right side of the phone. And of course, unlocking the smartphone with the side mounted fingerprint was very okay. I was really impressed how fast it unlocked the phone, and that's fine. And then you have the USB-C connectivity underneath the phone, the microphone, the earphone port, and the speaker grill, and then an extra microphone on top of the device. And then you have the tray for dual nano SIM cards. This phone features a 6.6 inches display with a very good resolution and vibrant colors. And this ensures that you have an immersive viewing experience. So whether you're watching YouTube videos or scrolling through social media, the colors are so detailed and decent enough for a budget smartphone, especially the 90Hz screen refresh. You won't experience any lags at all, just that it might consume more battery life, but you can as well switch to 60Hz. You have a typical 5000 mAh battery here on the Tecno Pop 8. It is not a fast charge, but it features the dynamic bar, and that adds a little more flavor to the smartphone. This phone comes with the Android version 13 Go edition, and multitasking is a breeze. Powered by the Unisoc T606 processor, this phone is going to do well in image processing and not so much of a gaming phone. You have a 13 megapixels main camera on the Tecno Pop 8 and then an 8 megapixels front camera. In terms of picture quality, it actually captured decent photos with good details, so you can easily post them on social media. Portrait images look so good with high dynamic range present. And then the selfie. The picture quality from the 8 megapixel lens was also detailed. So if you're someone who loves capturing memories on the go, this smartphone will not let you down. So guys, this is a video recording from the rear camera of the Tecno Pop 8. It's a 1080p at 30 frames per second video from the 13 megapixels main camera lens. There are lots of details. I love the color reproduction. So what do you think of the picture quality? Let me know in the comment. And then the crucial aspect of this smartphone is the battery. Even with the 90Hz screen refresh, this phone offered a long-lasting battery experience. So I can easily enjoy hours of browsing, gaming or streaming without worrying about running out of battery life. In my experience with this smartphone, it actually offered some good standout features. But personally, I think it actually came early, because this was supposed to be one of the lineups of Tecno's next year device. But it is okay. So if you're in search of a phone that you can afford, I think you should try the Tecno Pop 8. It's definitely worth considering, and it ticks all the right boxes, from its sleek design to its impressive display and a powerful budget processor. But what do you really think? Do you want to see a comparison or something? Please share in the comments, and if you're new here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.